Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 Pro and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list and of course find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit icon, let's say in the right upper corner, and tap on this camera icon right in the middle. And as you can see, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will stick with this option, so let me tap on it. Here we have to decide where we want to complete this action, so we can do it using the gallery, Google Photos, which is basically the same thing, or File Manager. And I will pick the gallery. And now we have to find the photo we would like to use and tap on it, so let me pick this one. And as you can see, from this step we can adjust the size of this square and adjust, let's say, this highlighted area. And thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this square is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and if you're happy with your choice, just confirm it with OK. And as you can see, it immediately appears right here, so remember to tap on save, which is in the right upper corner. It's very important. And as you can see, this Eiffel Tower has been applied to this contact. Now after getting back to the contact list, you can see that it is visible right here. What's more, you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number, for example. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Xiaomi 12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.